Let them know I'm not new to this. Been around a little, why so much true to this? I've no points to prove, but me pushing it. Yeah, let them know me pushing it. This is the realest done. Representing for Jamaica first, country first. So we the study bad mind people. Yeah, we don't care who I deal with evil. Tell them so no matter what them do or say. The vengeance will rise, I'll rise. Could that pre what the night or day? It don't matter what the pagans say. Tell them.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. Great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. Well, I want to talk about the youth here. Byron Yogi Messia, where everybody kill up themselves over the boy, and me not see nothing great to them. You understand? Me not see nothing hype with the youth here. To me, him look like Yogi Bear. So you know, Sir P call Squash Teletubby. Yo, me a label a youth here, Yogi Bear. Now, me personally, me not see none of music them when me like. Me listen to Taliban, and me see them a show some kind of sign. In it some kind of star sign. Him on a pussy hole Prince Swanny. And me just no wait name there. Me no get it. Me no see nothing big about him. Him live with his mother in a St. Kitts. When Prince Swanny go up on the Fix talk show, Prince Swanny was like, yo, go back home to your mother and talk to her and make sure say, yo, you ready for this? Because what Prince Swanny was telling this dude was like, listen, when we go through in a Trinidad, it's not easy. So make sure you're ready for this. But really and truly, Ushpa Brian Messia there, Byron Yogi Messia, where you want to name, I should have the rest of Prince Swanny friends. The youth them are Prince Swanny roll with and do music with, and them should have the Ushpa, the big fat Yogi Bear brother there. Now, he said that he's not influenced, cause I didn't hear about it, I didn't watch his video, I heard about it, and I'm gonna give my 2 cents. Cause I don't like to watch stuff and then make a comment on it. I just like to hear from what's going on, cause a heap of people comment on it. I guess he was influenced by rap music, but he's singing reggae. So yeah, he's doing trap, dancehall, ping pong, the ping pong music, ping pong. But at the same time, he's speaking Jamaican language. Pussy. A reggae influence your body boy. Big blood claw Yogi Bear. Now, one thing I tell him now. You think Prince Swanny are gonna make you come and get #1? You think Prince Swanny are gonna make you come and rule the Trinidad dancehall scene over him? May I tell you something about Prince Swanny? Cause you's a young youth. You just leave your mother house. You just leave underneath your mother's skirt tail, my youth. And go to Trinidad and Prince Swanny decide to sign you and give you a little break. But let me tell you, you see Prince Swanny are no idiot. You think him are gonna make you steal the spotlight from him? Eh? You think Prince Swanny are gonna make you take the spotlight from him? And like me I say, furthermore, my youth, Byron Yogi Messia, you should know yourself. You don't know yourself. All you eat a blood clot hamburger. You don't see how you're big and fat and look like Yogi Beer. Yo, me not say nothing about you when me like my lad. And me know enough people might say, yo, countryman, I hear that thing and this and that. But me not see the excitement. You have one heap of other artists in a Trinidad, Jamaica, Grenada, Guyana, we sound better than a youth, yeah. I just threw Prince Swanny, them dress him up, put him in a goal and them thing there. And him a drive in a blood clot car like him a bad boy and him no violence. But me tell you something about Prince Swanny them. Prince Swanny them know the real thing. You see what Prince Swanny them sing about and where them go through, you no go through that yet, my youth. You just leave underneath your mother's skirt tail, frock tail. And you see Ushpa you there, I should have other Prince Swanny friends them and other man will spar with Prince Swanny because Prince Swanny not take no youth with him, you know, from out of Trinidad, you know. He never take him friend them Tappy Boss and all them youth the way him used to deal with. And you come and you take that place there. Ushpa, Tappy Boss and the other man there, Meds Boss or whoever the fuck you used to hang out with. You understand? So, may I tell you something, Yogi Beer, Messiah. Watch yourself with Prince Swanny and don't think you're too big like you're some blood clot superstar. You understand? You're a little boy from St. Kitts underneath your mother blood clot frock tail. You're not even better than the realest Dan. You understand? And I that me I tell you. So you see me, personally, like me said, me know enough people not gonna like this thing, but me not have nothing good to say about him. Me not say me hate him or nothing like that. But just not think him song is all that. Him get a little bit of hype through my wear the gold chain and them thing. The president show Swanny how to deal with it. So Swanny now, him have little swag and some money and him sign you to Z-Tech. Cause which part you there now? A Brad should have did so, you know. And Swanny get signed and go America and left Brad. And the man them murder blood clot Brad. Cause Brad tattoo all Z-Tech on him blood clot body. I know you big fat Yogi Beer. You eat pear hamburger. Come on and go on like you are some big time blood clot done. You understand? And you are some big time artist. Yo, me no rate you. Countryman say that. And me no care who want vex. You understand? That boy, him no know himself. Him say him get influenced by rap. And no, him never have no Jamaican idol or whatever. So what the fuck you sing Jamaican music for? Pussy? Eh? And you think say the man them a Trinidad easy? You get an easy break. You know in the gutter like Tappy and all them man there. And what Swanny them used to have to do. And how much man play them man there. You understand? And run circle around them, but you come and get a break. So when me I tell you, say my youth, don't take this thing and make it go to your bumbo clot head. And like that countryman I say, yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video, yo. But all me I say, that youth yeah, the ratings where people are giving, me no see it. You understand? And me I tell him watch Prince Swanny. Cause you think Prince Swanny are gonna make you get bigger than him? Hell no. Him learn from the best of the best. A president him learn from. And the man them are Trinidad, my youth. So you might think say, yo, you this or you that. Yo, them man they are Trinidad and president are the best of the best them. You understand? Them know if you run circle around your bumbo clot. So stay there. I'm out.